From high above, a vibrant Ethiopian village unfolds, a tapestry of terracotta rooftops and cobblestone streets shimmering under the sun. Amid the lively scene, children chase dreams in games of Jenna, their laughter echoing through the colorful streets. Elders gather in peaceful circles, the rich aroma of roasting coffee beans filling the air with warmth and connection. Women weave shemma cloth, their nimble fingers crafting intricate designs that tell stories of heritage and artistry. The village pulsates with life, a vivid testament to the enduring spirit and rich traditions of its people. In the heart of the weaving hut, young Selam, her braids shimmering with amber, tiptoes into a world brimming with vibrant textiles and the hypnotic rhythm of the loom. Drawn by an invisible thread of curiosity, Selam's eyes widen as she ventures deeper, her spirit awakened by the hut's untold stories. The air hums with untold stories as Selam's hands reach out, eager to touch the woven wonders that hold the secrets of generations. Deep within the weaving hut, Selam uncovers an ancient loom, a relic of forgotten times. Resting on the loom, a single golden thread emanates an ethereal glow, beckoning Selam into the unknown, her eyes wide with wonder. Selam reaches out, her touch poised to awaken powers dormant for centuries. The golden thread pulses with unseen energy, hinting at the vast, untold secrets that await Selam. In this moment, Selam's adventure begins, a journey into the heart of ancient mysteries and untold powers.